Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the WeCool 3-in-1 Selfie Stick. There is a picture of the selfie stick on the box itself, so this is what it's going to look like. There's some extra information on the side. This comes with a stainless steel pole body. It comes with 60cm adjustable length. It supports Bluetooth 5.1. It swivels on basically horizontal and vertical directions, and it's super durable as well. So more information this side. It has a 10-meter long distance range, 360-degree rotating holder, 113 grams ultra lightweight selfie stick. This is super light. Also comes with a stable tripod and separate Bluetooth remote. Now let's open this box and show you what's inside. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. We have a user manual from WeCool. This is for this particular 3-in-1 selfie stick. So you can go through it at least once. There is a how to pair, there's a how to take out the remote control. Everything that you need to know about this particular selfie stick, you'll find it here. Now let's take a look at the selfie stick itself. So this is what it looks like. So this is the smartphone bracket that it comes with. I'll show you how to operate this. It swivels like so, and then you pull like this way to open it up. I'll show it again. So first you swivel this way to make it horizontal. Now you pull it on pull it like this, and now you have to make sure that now you just put the smartphone in like this. So I have a smartphone over here. I'm going to put it in and show it to you. There you go. It's in now. This is the stainless steel pole that it comes with. This is basically the stick part of the selfie stick. So the idea is that you hold it like this and then you can operate it like so. And what else do we have over here? I'm going to remove the phone so I can see it better. And underneath this is basically your tripod. This is the tripod that it comes with. So you can place it like this and then use it like a stand as well. You can use it like a stand like this for when you want to do a video call or when you want to shoot something. You can do that. Not just that, this particular bracket over here, right now it's horizontal, so for when you want to, because I wanted to show it like this, but you can also put the phone in like this and then shoot it. You will notice that this part goes up, this particular spring area goes up, so you can put the phone like this as well and then use it. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the WeCool 3-in-1 selfie stick. Thank you for watching.